Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. These AI selfie videos are going extremely viral right now, and the reason is simple. They feel personal, cinematic, and incredibly realistic. The best part is that you don't need advanced skills or expensive tools to create them. In this video, I'll walk you through multiple viral AI video workflows that you can start using immediately. Let's begin with the first workflow. So start by opening Google Gemini and clicking on the Create Image option. So from there, select Nano Banana Pro and upload your own photo. This image will be the base for everything we create next. Once your photo is uploaded, paste the prompt provided and replace two things only. So for example, I replaced the celebrity name with Jackie Chan and use the Karate Kid movie set. After clicking send, Nano Banana Pro generated a realistic selfie image in just a few seconds. The lighting, facial consistency, and realism look surprisingly natural. Next, using the exact same prompt, I also created another selfie image with a character from the Avatar movie set. So here's the result. Just look at that. Very realistic. Next, I repeated this process again to generate selfie style images with Lionel Messi standing at Cricket Stadium and Robert Downey standing on the set of Avengers Endgame. So every single image was created using the same prompt, only the names and movie sets were changed. Now, once your selfie images are ready, next step is to animate them. So head over to Kling AI and click on the video option. Now make sure Video 2.5 Turbo is selected for a smoother and more natural motion. Next, upload your first selfie image as the starting frame and the second selfie image as the ending frame. Paste the animation prompt and adjust only the placeholders. So you can change clothing color, small physical details, or unique identifiers. For example, I replaced the first placeholder with a person holding the phone and the second placeholder with a Navi character from the Avatar movie set. Then I click Generate. Now, within seconds, Kling AI created the first video clip with smooth motion and consistent facial details. So, preview the clip to confirm everything looks good. So, let's watch it again.
Lie, mate. I'm done with some nice hair.
For the next clip, simply click on the switch option. So, right here, this automatically turns the last frame of the previous clip into the first frame of the next one. So, upload your third selfie image as the ending frame. Reuse the same prompt, adjust the placeholders if needed, and click generate again. So just like that, your second clip is ready. You can repeat this process to generate a third clip or even more. Once all clips are created, you can merge them together. You can use CapCut or Clip Jump, and your first viral style AI video is completed. Now let's move on to viral video workflow number 2, which is also trending heavily across social media platforms. So again, start with Google Gemini, upload your image and paste the prompt. You can use this prompt. At the end of the prompt, set your desired aspect ratio, like vertical for Reels and Shorts or horizontal for YouTube. Click Send or click Generate. And within seconds, Nano Banana Pro will generate a stunning cinematic image. So you can download this image and head over to Google Flow, then click on New Project. Change the mode from text to video to image to video. Upload your image as the initial frame, paste the animation prompt, and click Send. So in just a few moments, your video will be ready. The motion looks fluid, the expressions remain natural, and the output feels high quality. So using this same workflow, I created these videos. So as you can see, these videos look polished, realistic, and have massive viral potential. Now, one important thing to keep in mind while using Google Veo 3, you may sometimes encounter a policy violation error. So if that happens, don't panic. Simply take the same image and convert it into a video using Kling AI instead. The workflow stays exactly the same and you'll still get excellent results. Now let's move on to the viral video workflow number 3. So if you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, you've probably seen people recreating iconic scenes from the Durandar movie. So these recreations are pulling in millions of views. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this yourself. So upload your image to Google Gemini, paste the provided prompt exactly as it is, and hit generate. Within seconds, Nano Banana Pro will generate an image that recreates a cinematic scene inspired by the Durandar movie. So, using different prompts, you can generate multiple variations of these scenes with different angles, expressions, and moods. So, once your image is ready, open Google Flow and make sure frames to video is selected. Upload the image, paste the animation prompt, and click generate. So within a few seconds, your video will be complete. Using this same workflow, I generated multiple cinematic recreations, all optimized for short form viral content. So if you've watched till this point, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So if you want part 2 of this viral AI video workflow series, comment part 2 below. Are you tired of creating content that just blends into the background? What if you could freeze your viewers in their tracks and hold their attention for minutes instead of seconds? Introducing Freezer, the AI video creator built to make viral storytelling videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Freezer handles everything from idea generation to script writing, visuals, voiceover, music, and editing. No hours of tedious work, no expensive software or big crews. Just pick your topic, hit go, and you have a ready to upload video. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or marketer, you can repurpose any story, even from Reddit, into a high impact video. Create short form, long form, any language, any niche. Want to sell products, build your brand, or monetize your channel? Freezer gives you the tools to do it. Imagine your product, your service, your story reaching thousands, tens of thousands, even millions. It's not just a dream, it's what Fraser is built for. So, what are you waiting for? Get Fraser now. Just go to getfraser.in.